Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Meta just launched AI mode on Facebook, letting users ask questions in plain language and get answers pulled from public posts, groups, and reels across the platform. I'm Emily, your crowdsourced AI answers need a serious accuracy conversation person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who just imagined asking Facebook AI for medical advice and getting answers sourced from random group posts. Slightly terrifying, very on brand for 2026.
Perfectly on brand. So instead of scrolling through search results, Facebook's new AI mode synthesizes answers from what real people are actually discussing across the platform. Ask, "What's the best restaurant near me?" and AI pulls from local group discussions. Ask about health symptoms, and it pulls from, well, whatever random users have posted publicly. The convenience is obvious. The reliability question is immediate.
And Meta knows this is a real concern, because the AI is summarizing content from everyday users rather than vetted sources. Outdated or misleading information can easily slip through. It's the same criticism already being raised about Google's AI mode. When your source material is unverified public posts and group chatter, accuracy is generally not guaranteed.
Beyond search, Facebook also launched AI photo presets, letting users virtually try on different clothes, hairstyles, and accessories. Sports fans can tap Wear It to virtually put on their favorite team jersey, plus video editing tools with collage cutouts and transition effects, all AI-powered. Meta is clearly trying to make every interaction on Facebook stickier and more creative.
And the business strategy underneath all of this is clear. Meta recently launched subscription plans for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, starting at $3.99 a month, with more AI-related tiers reportedly coming. More AI features means more reasons to pay, and Facebook needs new revenue streams beyond advertising.
AI mode on Facebook is genuinely useful for casual discovery. Just verify anything important from a real source before acting on it. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. AI answers from social media posts are a starting point, not a finish line. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.